Unit 4, Mixed Review, number 8. While working at Sonic, Brandon received a tip of 93 cents from his first customer, $1.05 from his second, and 8 cents from the third customer. What was the total amount of tips Brandon received? So the big clue on this one is the word total. Between add and subtract, which is all we've learned to do with decimals, the one that's used to get a total is to add. So we're going to add all these up. But this one has an added challenge of giving us many words, and we've got to switch it to decimals. So we have 93 cents. So that means $0.93. So $0 would be 0 decimal. And then money always goes to the hundredths place. So I need those two places to say 93. Well, that's pretty easy. Put a 9, put a 3, and you've got 93. Now for the second customer. They gave him $1.05. So $1, 1 decimal, and again, money has to be two places. You would think maybe that 5 cents I would put 50, but that says 50. And so to make 5 cents, I have to put 0, 5. That way, those two places say 5 and not 50. Now, for the third customer, they just gave him 8 cents. They must have just gotten a drink or something, not a big tip. So $0, and again, two places needs to say 8, not 80, but 8. So 0, 8. Add all those together. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 8 is 16. 0 plus 0 plus 9 plus 1 is 10. Decimal comes down. 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 2. And so we get a total of $2.06 for Brandon's tips.